welcome to another video in this Junky Junk series. I'm really enjoying this. I feel like I'm having so much fun. So I thought we'd look at edgings. Edgings. I don't know why I said it like that. Edgings. And what I've done, I've pre-prepared some, so you won't have to watch me colouring in. I've got some of my straw paper and I've cut strips out, and I've made some fancy patterns on here with my gelato pens. Well, they're not real gelatos, the gelato looky likeys, cheaper version of, and actually they're lovely. They're so creamy, the colours are gorgeous, loads. I've got a big like little case full of them from Lidl here in the UK. Now Lidl is a European brand. I don't know, let me know, can you get, is there Lidl? Are there Lidl and Aldi in the States and other countries up outside of Europe? Anyway, I've done a little bit of patterning on there, and I thought we'd come and see where we could put it. Obviously, I don't want to put it on there. I just feel like a bit of colour might be quite nice on there. Would that add anything to that? I actually quite like that. Let's just do that. Let's stick this on. We'll have it hanging out right a little bit. No, we're going to have it this side because I like that on there, because I've got a bit of ink, the red inking on there. So I don't want to cover too much of the Edith holding up, but just enough to give it a bit of a zhuzh up, as Wendy's Genuine Adventures say. I think that's her term, zhuzh. Right, I think that's nice there. We don't need something because we are going to put some tabs on next video. So I think, now do we need anything? We've got a belly band there. I don't think we do. Don't think we do on there. Oh, that's not looking very healthy, is it? It's come out. I'll have to put some washi tape on that or something along those lines. Right, okay, so we've got that there. Let's have a look where it would be. I've got a pocket, so in actual fact, would we want a bit of something on there? It's got a bit of green there. No, I don't. No, I've got that on there. I think it might be a little bit too much having that there. We can always do something else with that, can't we? We did some stamping. We did the decorating pages. Okay. Don't want anything on there. What about here? Let's have a look. You see, I don't want to take away from that pocket, and it would do, I think, wouldn't it? It's nice though. Wonder if, let's see. I feel like I'm going to cut through the middle of all me. I was going to say sewing then, because I often feature this it's like a crosshatch seam stitch, as I call it. Right, we'll put that on there, so that's hanging over. That would look onto there. That'll go there, all right. So I am going to do this slightly different. I don't want that to get in a mess. So I'm going to get my art glitter glue on this one, just to make sure it doesn't get over glued, because I only want a little bit. Right, I'm going to do it bottom up, bottoms up, as they say. bottoms up. Now that's there. Do I want that to come back down there? Yes, I do. Yeah. So for this bit, I am going to glue all that. And that's going to go on top of that to make like a tag. A tab, should I say, not a tag. Yeah, I like that. But I'm going to just cut this corner. I think I like it. It's like being back at school playing. Let's pocket on there. It's going to interfere with that. I'm always wanting to put it somewhere where we can leave it hanging over the side, can't we? So I am going to, I know, you'll say, no, you're covering up Edith Holden. I don't like the pages with the big Decembers, the big month writing at the top. I don't know why, isn't that strange? There we go. So let's put a bit more down there. That's nice. I like that. Okay. And then we can always fill a bit of that in later if we want to. Look at that next video. Nope. Now this is quite thin paper, so it would actually take that nicely, wouldn't it? Because it's quite thin. Let's have a look. Yeah. Okay. So I am going to just glue this one up. So hope you're all keeping well. If you're in the UK, we've been having a bit better weather. It's waiting for the kids to go back to school. For those of you that have got school children, it's been a bit of a miserable summer. But time to go back to school and the sun's coming out. Our little grandson, Freddie, he's gone up to big school. Well, you know, infants as we call it here, primary school. Don't like that back of that page now. That's nice. I like that. I don't like that. Do we extend that? No, don't like that either. I need to do something with that page. I don't like it. But we'll get to that. Now, obviously, you didn't have to do these colours on straw paper. You could do it on anything, really. Let's see. Now, you see, you're missing half of it. Does look nice on there, though, doesn't it? But then it's spoiling that. So we'll say no. Nice little pocket there. Well, I'm not sure that I'm, but that's fine. You know, it's not necessarily going to go. I'm going to just wrap that around. Now, of course, you don't have to already do it on strips. You could do it directly onto your pages. I'm just going to do a little tab so we've got a bit of decoration there, look. So it looks nice there as we turn the page, and that's looking nice there. Let me just double check then that we didn't want anything on this bit. What's that? Put that bit of nursery rhyme on there, haven't I? Got any green we have? And then that can go on the other page. So let's see. Let me just glue that up. I'm sorry, I'm just going to glue over here out the way. Necessarily be able to see. Now, to cover my grandfather clock, just leave a little lip on it. So it, and then we've got a bit of colour there. Cut that bit off. Yeah, I like that because that goes there and that goes onto there. Now, where's that page I don't like? Got that to stick back in because it's very old paper. It's very delicate, obviously. It's well, we've got two pockets there. Oh, that's what we could do. We could do a belly band. There we go. We could put a bit of something under there, can't we? That goes with that page there nicely. Right. My friend, where is it? Where are you? This is it. Now, I liked it with just that on, but because I've put that bit on underneath, I don't like it. We've got some red there. Do we take that up? Let's have a look at a thinner piece. That's better. I think I like that better. Because it's that chip shop paper and it's quite thin to write on, so this will probably make it a little bit more sturdy. Do I want it that way? That's the thing. No, I don't. There we go. I like that better. That at that side, that at that side. So you can soon cover up ugly things, can't you? With a bit of something. That would make a nice pocket. Let's get a bit of card or something, or a bit of stiffer paper. What I'm going to do is I'm going to strengthen this with some paper, and then I'm going to make a pocket. So, oops. even that up a bit, Catherine. It's a bit wonky, 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 wonky. Made it worse. What about that? Yeah. That can be used for somewhere else. That can make our pocket. Now let's see. We will use it there. I'm going to do some extra paper on it because there's glue on it and it's not going to like it. That's better. That's better. I like that better now. It's a bit arty as well, this journal, isn't it? I've sort of got like lots of arty things in, which is quite nice. There, do we want that there? Is it overkill? I don't know if it is or not. Just a little piece, I think. There we go. That's nice on there. We'll make a big tag there. Right, I'm going to put that off there. I'm going to put that there and wrap it round to make a bit of a tab. Okay. Just leave enough out so it's got a bit of a tab there, so we can open that. That's looking a bit friable as well. It's the same page at the other side, so I need to reinforce that. Do we need a touch of colour there? No, we don't think so. No. Yeah, like that there. So if you do it on some long strips, then it's easier, isn't it, to use little bits of it. I think that will do us. Yeah, I like that. Okay then, so it's looking a bit better, a bit more added to it. With these bits of edgings. Okay then, so thanks for joining me. A little bit more done to our Junky Junk journal. I'll see you next video. Bye for now.